everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Carla from 9C class, serial number 2. Now I am studying at Junior High School Methodist 5. Now I want to show you example of procedure text. Now I want to tell you about how to make chocoballs. Okay, the ingredients needed are white bread, chocolate bars, sweetened condensed milk chocolate, butter, and chocolate sprinkles. The material used are bowl, spoon, pan, flat trays, stoves. Let's get started. First, we take a few pieces of bread, then we tear small pieces and put them in a bowl. If so, leave the bread first, and then we melt the chocolate bar in the pan. In the chocolate truck, then place it on the flat baking sheet. Do it until the dough runs out. And the last one is, before we consume it, first put in the refrigerator so it will. Alright, that's all from my video text procedure. I hope you like it, and sorry if something goes wrong. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye!